Meaning of innate.
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 Innate. The word innate refers to a quality or characteristic that is present from birth or inherent in a person or thing. It generally implies that the trait is natural and not learned or acquired through experience or education. Innate qualities can include physical characteristics, such as eye color or muscle strength, as well as personality traits, like temperament or intelligence. The concept of innate abilities has been debated throughout history, with some arguing that genetics play a significant role while others maintain that environmental factors are more influential. Overall, the term innate suggests an intrinsic aspect of a person or thing that is not easily changed.